Hey guys, welcome to the Red Hack. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're just gonna fix the little seal on the door. There's a gap here, so we're gonna replace it, get the parts, and we're gonna replace the gasket and show you the result. Okay, this part is missing the little rubber gaskets like you have here. So we're gonna replace it to replace this gap. Okay. Okay. Let's go here.
A few moments later.
Okay, so there you go. Gasket replaced on the one side. Okay. Alright. So when the door closes, we don't have that gap anymore.